this morning. I woke up and I put on a scuba tank. And I spent 45 minutes about 60 feet down. Looking at some of the most beautiful animals I've ever seen. Some of them that I've never seen before in my whole life. It's always in the back of my head when I'm going over these coral reefs. There's so much beauty here and we could be losing it. It's something that we can solve. We have the technology to use wind, to use solar, to use hydro, to use geothermal. The beauty of the planet and the beauty of these coral reefs and this jungle. I find that just being in these beautiful surroundings, it kind of reminds you of why we're fighting this fight. I think sometimes it's hard to see that when you're sitting in an office in Charlotte or New York or LA and you feel sort of cut off from the natural world. But being here where you're interacting with all these different animals every day, it sort of brings it home, right? It makes it emotional. And I think sometimes you can forget how beautiful the world is. Everybody needs to take some time to recharge, and that's what I feel like I've done here on Turtle Island.